Hey tumbleweeds, I am coming to you from Palm Springs 1,000 Trails, and I'm getting ready to go to the food truck that's parked here, Fat Boy Tacos. But I wanted to show you this view that I see every morning when I take Chia for a walk. Here it is. It looks better in real life. I just ordered food from the taco truck. Well, I thought it would be mean to eat without Chia outside, so I put her on a leash. And we're gonna go sit out here on the picnic table and eat our tacos. We got chicken, pork, and shrimp. That looks delicious. Hey tumbleweeds! It's finally warm enough to go swimming. I don't think I've been swimming in a swimming pool for probably 15 years, I'm guessing. I can't remember the last time. I think it was in Jacksonville. Well, I started working on this pastel painting. I don't know how good it's going to come out. It has a lot of detail in the photograph, but we'll see how it goes. Is this guy real? Is he real? I'm not sure if he's real or not. He looks real. Is he breathing? Is it a toy? I'm not sure. Is it real? Hi, guy. Are you real? Are you a real animal? Or are you fake? Are you fake or real? I think he's fake. I think he's fake. Yeah, he's fake. Guys, over the next few months, I am going to be having giveaways off of my YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you all of the prints. These are prints. The originals were sold a long time ago. But I have these prints that are already matted and have backboards on them. So all you have to do is get a frame that fits 11 by 14 opening and just drop it in there and you'll be done. So I have them marked on the back, I think $43 for most of them. There's a couple that aren't matted that will have to be done. Whoever wins those, they will have to do that themselves. But I'll let you know what the prices were marked on those. And they will cost you nothing. I will even ship them to you for free. So all you got to do is follow the instructions to enter the giveaway. And I'll tell you which ones I'm going to give away first. Which one I'm going to give away first. Okay, here they are. This first one is going to be the first one I give away on the channel. And I'll put the instructions at the end of this video on how to enter. So this one is called Spirit Blackbird. And if any of you knew me when I had the art gallery in the old hotel building in Springer, this was the inspiration for the name of the gallery. It was called Laughing Crow Artisans. So this is the first one I'm going to give away, and I have it marked $45. So if you win the drawing, you won't even have to pay to have it shipped to you. So that's a pretty good deal. Okay, the next one is called Buffalo. These are mostly all the same size. This one is called Winter Wolf. This one is just called Coyote. This one is called Girl with Wolves. This one is called Verano de las Rio Grande Gorge. This one, I actually have two of these. This one is called Surreal Blackbird. And here's the second one. And then this guy is called Sexy Beast. So this is going to be the one I'm giving away today. So I'm going to put the instructions up right after this. So that's going to be it for the Palm Springs Thousand Trails video. We're going to be heading someplace new in a few days, so you'll have to come back for the next video and find out who won the contest and where we're headed next. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.